Assalamualaikum. In this video I will explain the process of debugging using the debugger of Spider software. So let's start. Suppose this is the code which I want to run, and while running the code I want to monitor the values of a and variable x when this program runs in a step-by-step manner. So the first step to initiate the debugging process is to insert a breakpoint. Breakpoint is inserted at the very first line of the code which you want to debug. So this is the first line of the code, which is line number 8. Place the mouse over the line number where you want to insert the breakpoint. Then double click, and after doing so you can see a red circle at the left hand side of the line number. If you are using the latest version, the appearance of breakpoint could be different. I'm using version 3 of Spider software, and the breakpoint will appear at the left hand side of the line number. So this red circle is called breakpoint. After inserting the breakpoint, the process of debugging can be initiated using this button. So click on this button. After clicking this button, you can see that a message will appear in the console window by the name IPDB. DB means debugging. At the same time, you can see that the first line has been highlighted in purplish color, and this highlighted line represents the current position of the CPU. तो ये highlighted line हमें ये बता रहा है कि CPU की मौजूदा पोजीशन लाइन नंबर 8 है, और लाइन नंबर 8 जो है वो अभी तक एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हुई. लाइन नंबर 8 is yet to be executed. So if I want to execute line number 8, what would I do? I would press this button, run current line, and as soon as I press this button, you can see that variable a will be created and 0 will be stored in variable a. So the current value of variable a can be viewed in variable explorer window right over here. So type means the type of the variable, size is the size of the variable, and more about the size would be explained in upcoming weeks. Okay, so now the second line, or line number 9, has been highlighted, and this indicates that CPU is currently ready to execute line number 9. CPU जो है वो लाइन नंबर 9 के ऊपर खड़ा है और लाइन नंबर 9 को एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए तैयार बैठा है. So in order to execute line number 9, I will again click this icon or button, and as soon as I click that, the value 1, this value 1 has been stored in variable x. Now the computer is on line number 10 and it is ready to execute a is equal to a plus 1. So as soon as I press this button, the value of a, which was 0 previously, will be incremented by 1. The value of x is 1. This condition is false, so a is equal to a plus 5 will not be executed. x की अगली वैल्यू जो है वो 2 है. वो 2 जो है x की तरफ या x में स्टोर होगा. कब स्टोर होगा? जब आप इस आइकन को क्लिक करेंगे. तो x की वैल्यू 2 हो गई. सिमिलरली a की वैल्यू 2 हो जाएगी. अब x की मौजूदा वैल्यू 2 है. 2 रिमाइंडर 2 is equal to 0. कंडीशन is true. So whatever is written inside the body of if statement, that will be executed. And you can see that as soon as I press this button, the computer will go inside the body of the if statement, and the value of a will be incremented by 5. So 2 will be changed to 7. So similarly you can repeat this process. When the value of x becomes 4, the for loop will end, and print a statement will be executed if I press this button. So the final value of a is 14, which has been printed at the console window. The program has not been executed completely. It will be executed if you press this button one more time, and you can see that now the program has finished its execution, and the process of debugging has been terminated.